Okay, so I have to be honest with you. I was not expecting this at all. I made $500 in 1 week just testing apps on my laptop. Like zero investment, no client hunting, nothing. Just me, my phone, my laptop, and this platform called Testlio. And today I'm going to break the whole thing down, what it is, how I actually made the money, and how you can set yourself up and start earning. So stick with me for a few minutes. Real quick though, I want to be upfront. This video is not sponsored. Teslio didn't pay me, nobody reached out, nobody sent me a script, nothing. I'm making this because I genuinely made money on it and I think you should know about it. That's literally it. Everything I'm about to tell you comes from my own experience, the setup, what actually works, all of it. So you know this is real. Now, if anyone from Teslio is watching and wants to collab, my email's in the description. I'm totally open to it. But right now, this is just me telling you what actually happened. So, Teslio, if you haven't heard of it, don't worry, most people haven't. That's kind of the whole point of this video. Here's the deal, they work with massive companies Netflix, Amazon, Microsoft, PayPal, Uber, you know the big guys. And these companies need real humans to test their apps before they roll out updates or go into new markets. Because here's the thing, automated testing can only go so far. At some point, you need an actual person just using the app like a normal person would, catching the stuff that robots miss. That's where you come in. Teslio has this network of freelance testers around the world, and they match you to testing projects based on what devices you have, where you live, what skills you've got. You get assigned a test run, you test the app either following their instructions or just exploring it however you report what you find, and they pay you by the hour. Not per bug, by the hour. Which is actually huge because you know exactly what you're getting paid. It's not some lottery. So how did I actually make 500 bucks in a week? Honestly, it came down to just being available and staying consistent. Once I got certified and set my profile up right, and I'll walk you through all of that in a sec, runs started coming in. And I just didn't wait around. When a run dropped, I jumped on it immediately. Also, and this matters more than you'd think, I made sure my device list was solid. Because the way they match you to projects is literally based on what devices you have. More phones, more tablets, older laptops, even your old iPad counts. The more devices you list, the more runs you qualify for. I updated mine properly, and that alone opened up way more opportunities. Then I just showed up and did good work. Clear reports, followed the guidelines, submitted on time. That's it. By the end of the week, I had $500 in my PayPal from my couch. Okay, so real talk, how much can you actually make on this? Teslio pays hourly. We're talking 10 bucks an hour on the low end, up to 30 on the high end. It depends on your skill level and what country you're in. The more advanced you get, like if you're doing automation testing or scripted testing, the more you make. And they pay every single week. PayPal or Payoneer. No waiting around, no excuses. Just weekly payments for the hours you worked. One thing I got to mention though, they only accept about 3% of people who apply. So yeah, it's selective. But that's also why it's good, right? They keep the quality high, so brands keep sending more work. If you actually follow the steps I'm about to show you, you'll have the best shot at getting in. Alright, so here's how you actually get started. Step 1. Go to the Teslio website and apply as a freelance tester. You fill in your name, email, phone number, all that basic stuff. But here's the thing. Don't just blast through it like it's some random sign up. Treat it like you're applying for a real job because that's basically what it is. Once you get in, assuming you get accepted, immediately fill out your profile completely. And I mean completely. Your devices, especially. Every phone you have, every laptop, every tablet, even the old ones. Because the more devices you list, the more projects you get matched to. This is not the place to be lazy. Then you gotta pass their certification. Before you make a single dollar, you have to do their functional regression testing certification. Basically, it's them making sure you know how to test right, following instructions, reporting issues clearly, actually reproducing bugs. Don't rush it. Read the materials, actually learn it. This certification is your door to getting paid, so do it properly. After that, set up your PayPal or Payoneer account. Those are literally the only two options they have. Get it done early so the second your first payment clears, it's already in your account. Then, honestly, just be active. When a run comes in, respond fast. Don't overthink it. Show up and do solid work. The algorithm rewards people who are consistent and reliable. The more runs you crush with good quality, the more invites you get. It snowballs. Look, Teslio is not some get rich quick thing, but it is legit. Real platform, real money, real work. I made 500 bucks in a week. If you set yourself up right and stay consistent, you can too. Go apply, links in the description. And if you have questions about the process, just ask in the comments. I actually read them and reply. Oh, and one more thing, if you're a brand, a company, someone in the remote work or AI space, and you want to reach people who actually care about building income online, let's talk. Hit me up at globeremote@gmail.com. Serious enquiries only. Let's create something real for this community. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop actual remote work opportunities every week. No BS, just what actually works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.